Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a metrics sheet in Smartsheet step by step. If you've ever wanted a quick visual way to track your most important data, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a metrics dashboard that gives you all the key information you need at a glance, making your workflow smoother and your reporting super efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Smartsheet. Just go ahead and log in as you normally would. If you're already working on a project, make sure you're on your main workspace so you're set up in the right spot. Sometimes a simple step like this is overlooked, but getting your workspace organized from the start makes everything else fall into place more easily. Next, look for the Create button. It's usually big and easy to find, either at the top left or somewhere prominent on your dashboard. Give that a click. This is like opening a fresh page in a notebook. It's where everything begins. Taking this step opens up all the different types of Smartsheet items you can create, but for today, let's focus on what matters most. From the Create menu, you'll see several options, but the one you want here is Dashboard. Selecting Dashboard is key because dashboards are designed to let you visualize, summarize, and present your data in a really clear way. Think of this as setting up the big information board that everyone in your team can glance at. Super useful. Whether you're managing a team project, tracking sales numbers, or just keeping an eye on progress. After you've chosen Dashboard, you'll notice there are all sorts of widgets you can add, but for metrics, you want to click on Metric. The Metric widget is specially built for showing those numbers you care about most, like total sales, project completion rates, or open tasks, anything you want to keep front and center. Give that a click and you'll see a new panel pop up for configuration. Now it's time to add your data. This part might take a few moments, but it's really important to choose the right information source. You'll need to connect your metric to a specific sheet or report within Smartsheet. For example, if you want to track project status, pick the relevant project sheet. If you're focusing on sales, select your latest sales report. Don't worry if you're not sure which data to use, you can always go back and adjust this later on. The beauty of Smartsheet is its flexibility. Once your data is linked, you'll have the option to use chart data. This lets you visualize trends or comparisons with line or bar charts instead of just showing a static number. Sometimes seeing data as a chart helps uncover trends that aren't obvious from numbers alone. For instance, you might notice sales spike on Mondays, or that task completion is highest right before a deadline. Go ahead and configure the chart data to best show off what matters to you. Select the right range, tweak any settings you'd like, and then click OK to confirm your choices. Don't worry if things don't look perfect right away, you can always come back and fine-tune your dashboard. The most important thing is that your metrics are now connected and ready to display all in one spot. And that's it. You've just set up your own metrics sheet in Smartsheet. With just a few well-chosen steps, you now have a dashboard that puts your most important information front and center. That means less time hunting for numbers and more time making decisions based on what matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a deeper dive into any features. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.